If I touch over here, there's 1, 4, 9. Well, 9 is 5. B. So B is the hexadecimal is shown over here. This is hexadecimal is over here. And 0 is shown here. F. That's 1111 here. So basically, I connected the LCD in the 8-bit mode, and then I have connected it to port B over here, and this port B is connected to STK over here. These are the columns and the rows, and this is connected to port A over here, and the logic is written over here, so which scans all the rows and columns and accordingly displays over here. And we have used homemade program.h file, function.h file, sorry, for its conversion. So that's it for now.